questions, Mickey Mouse proudly presents The Mouse Factory.
I'm John Astin, punching in at the Mouse Factory, where today we have a special treat for all you dog lovers. In going through our fan mail, we found a lot of letters asking for more Pluto stories. We've received a couple of letters from Rin Tin Tin, and we've got a letter from Lassie, and here's a special delivery from a Pekingese in Poughkeepsie. That's right. Well, Pluto, every dog has his day, and it looks like this is yours.